What's up guys, Baer here. In today's video, I want to talk about my puppy, Radagast, the Shih Tzu. So every time I start up my lawn tractor, he goes wild and barks at it over and over again, kind of like it's attacking me almost. And this has been going on for a couple of years now. So one day I decided to take him off the leash and put him on my lap while I was on the tractor. And from then on, that's all he wants is tractor rides. So that's what this video is all about. My Shih Tzu and tractor rides. Roll that intro. Tractor pup, my pup likes tractors. Tractor pup, tractor pup, tractor pup. Shadowfax, you're kinda jealous because you're not in the video today. So here's a little clip of Shadowfax. I'm a Shadowfax, I'm really puppy. Look at my lips, I don't know why. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe. And if you want to stay in the know for all my future uploads, make sure to turn on that notification bell and make sure it's set to notification on always. And I'll see you next video, and so will Radagast. Baer out.
Yeah.